Many people studying linguistics have trouble with some morphology processes, like how the category of word changes when you add an affix to it and create a new word, and also how a word changes category without changing at all. So in this video, we'll talk about class maintaining, class changes, and conversion. So that after watching it, you can comprehend and understand this concept better. Hello everyone, and thanks for watching our video. My name is Selma and I'm working with Rosario, Joel, Erika, Alejandra and Eileen. We are students from the Department of Linguistics and Languages at Universidad Mayor de San Andrés. We have worked together to prepare a comprehensible yet complete explanation of what class maintaining and class changing are, and how and why are they different. We are also going to explore what conversion is and why some call it zero derivation.
So let's start. Today we will explore how many derivational affixes we have. But to get there, first we need to talk a bit about morphs. Two types of morphs exist: the free that can stand alone and the bound that needs to be attached to some other morph. Depending on where it is attached to, it can be a prefix, initial position, an infix, middle position, or a suffix, final position. But what does this have to do with derivation, you may ask yourself? We're getting there. Turns out that these suffixes can be divided into three branches: bound basis, inflectional, and derivational. Yes, the ones we will concentrate on, since derivational affixes can be subdivided into two groups: class maintaining and class changing.
Now, let's get more into what class changing and class maintaining actually mean. A class maintaining affix produces a lexeme that belongs to the same class as the base. For example, king is a noun, and if you add the affix down, you obtain a new lexeme, kingdom, which is also a noun, therefore there hasn't been any change in class. Let's see an example where a concrete noun becomes an abstract noun. To the word man, we can add hood, and we obtain a new noun, manhood. The kind of noun is different, but it remains, and also there hasn't been any change in class. Let's see one more. To the concrete noun, friend, we can add the affix ship to produce the abstract noun, friendship. Still no change in class.
See the other group, class changing affixes. This one produces lexemes that belong to a different class than the base. For example, king is a noun, but if we add the affix ly, we obtain kingly, which is an adjective. This means that there has been a change in class, from a noun to an adjective. Here we have some more examples of changing derivational affixes from adjective to noun. Tall plus ness, tallness. Abstract plus ion, abstraction. True plus th, truth. And from the verb to an adjective. Read plus able, readable. Create plus ibe, creative. As you have seen, when we talk about class, we are considering the grammatical one, noun, verb, adjective, etc. But keep in mind that Lyons believes that the genuine class maintaining only takes place when the new lexeme can still be a base.
Now, let's move on to the last item and talk about what is conversion. Lieber and Valera have given us two fairly good explanations. Lieber says, conversion is the process by which lexical items change grammatical category without change in form. Valera says that conversion is one of the processes that may take part in the creation of new lexemes in English. Let's see some examples. From verb to noun. We have from desire, verb, desire, the noun. There is no change in form, but there has been a change in class. We can find many examples like this in English. Here are some: dismay, cover, retreat, break, turn, catch, swim, And look, finally, let's see zero derivation. Kaspersky says that zero derivation is when one word is derived from another. This means that it's a creation of a word from an existing word without change in form. Well, that sounds familiar. It's a lot like conversion. And you're right, Adams, Jaspersons, and Marchand consider conversion to be a synonym of zero derivation. This following Lyons, for whom conversion is a type of derivation. The main difference between these two depends on who you read. Some authors treat them as synonyms, and others treat them as completely different morphological processes.
As you can see, morphology is full of contradicting theories. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments your opinion on the zero derivation dilemma. If there is not form change, can we still study the form? And is a conversion a type of derivation, or is it another type of word formation? You can follow the link provided in the description to learn more about the zero suffix, according to Pennant. Great! We hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to hit subscribe the button to get more amusing content of morphology. Thanks for watching!